Hello everyone, welcome to Manor Education. So this video is all about IHM Hajipur. Guys, Hajipur, it is located in Bihar, Patna city, and Patna is the capital of Bihar. And I will discuss all the things about the IHM Hajipur, rank, cutoff, facilities, recruiting companies, salary package of IHM Hajipur student, courses in IHM Hajipur, all these things I will discuss. So let us proceed. Before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for NCHM, CT, JEE, each at IHM Aurangabad. In this batches, you will get live class, classroom coaching, books, shortcut trick, doubt class, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting, guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581454, or you can also visit to our website manoredu.com/hotel management entrance examination. And guys, गूगल फॉर्म का लिंक भी हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, सो यू कैन फिल योर डिटेल्स इन the Google form and our counselor will get back to you and they will explain all the details about the batches for NCHM, CET, JEE. Now guys, let us discuss about the IHM Hajipur. So IHM Hajipur, it is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of इंडिया. ओके, सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म के अंदर ये आता है एंड NCHM CET से अफिलिएटेड है. इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट हाजीपुर हैज़ बीन ऑपरेशन सिंस 1998. सो 1998 में इट वाज established and created a vision to impart quality hospitality education. It caters not only the students of India but also international students from the SAARC कंट्रीज. सो इंडिया एज वेल एज सार्क कंट्रीज़ के स्टूडेंट्स भी यहाँ पे आते हैं. सार्क कंट्रीज़ लाइक इंडिया, मालदीव्स, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका एंड अफगानिस्तान ऑल्सो. इन सारे कंट्रीज़ के स्टूडेंट्स इस IHM हाजीपुर में पढ़ने आते हैं. द इंस्टीट्यूट अवार्ड्स 3 years बैचलर डिग्री इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड होटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन थ्रू इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट इज IGNOU. सो 3 years ऑफ बैचलर डिग्री इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड होटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का आपको यहाँ से मिलता है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द रैंक एंड कट ऑफ फॉर IHM हाजीपुर. नाउ गाइस, if you are from open category, then the opening rank was 407 and closing rank was 7537. If you are in EWS category, then opening rank was 8135 and closing rank was 13028. If you are in OBC category, then opening rank is 7737 and closing rank was 12445. And if you are from SC category, then opening rank is 8238 and closing rank was 15145. If you are from ST category, then opening rank was 8492 and closing rank was 14878. So this kind of a rank you need for IHM Hajipur. And if I talk about marks, then you need to score 500 plus marks in the NCHM CET JEE examination. So ये marks के basis पे you can get IHM Hajipur. And guys, let me tell you, this is the research base and previous year ranking. और ranking ये थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे भी हो सकता है. कितने students ने apply किया है for NCHM CET JEE examination and आपका पेपर का डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल कैसा था. ऑल दिस पैरामीटर्स विल डिसाइड दी रैंकिंग. ओके, सो यही फिक्स नहीं है रैंकिंग, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दी कोर्सेज इन IHM Hajipur. So if I talk about courses, then BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, they have total 264 seats. Okay, they also offer master's course, they offer total 32 seats. And if I talk about diploma courses, so total they have 112 seats. Two types of diploma courses they offer: diploma in food production and diploma in food and beverages services. Okay, and next course is Hunar Se Rozgar. It is a Skill India course and it is a 6 to 8 week full-time course. So these kind of a course they offer. Now let us discuss about the campus tour. So they have huge campus, okay, and they also have playground in the campus. They have very good library, hostel facility for boys as well as girls, and very good computer labs. So जो भी एक student को required होता है, hostel, playground, library, computer labs, all these things they have. Now let us discuss about the kitchen lab. Yes, hotel management का institute है, so kitchen lab is one of the very important part because all the curriculums of your hotel management course, it is dependent upon how you have kitchen lab. Okay, so first kitchen lab is food production lab, and after that food and beverages service lab, and third is housekeeping lab, front office lab, and then program management lab. So this kind of a lab is there in IHM Hajipur, which is required in hotel management course. Now let us discuss about the facilities at IHM Hajipur. So very first is bakery and confectionery lab. In this lab you will be preparing bakery products and desserts. Now second facility is basic training kitchen. So in basic ट्रेनिंग किचन आपको बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कुकरी दिया जाएगा. इट इक्विप्स स्टूडेंट विथ बेसिक स्किल and various method and science of cooking. So all the scientific phenomena of the cooking they will explain. After this, quantity training kitchen. So second year students को ये lab offer किया जाता है and यहाँ पे आपको food बनाना सिखाया जाएगा and bulk cooking कैसे की जा सकती है, so उसके बारे में आपको बताया जाएगा, सिखाया जाएगा, okay, in this lab. Now after this they have advanced training kitchen. Now advanced training kitchen में it deals with international cuisine. French, Italian, Chinese, Thai, all this kind of a food preparation you will be learning in this advanced training kitchen, and in advanced training kitchen lab you will be entered in third year. Okay, now after this diploma kitchen, so they have separate diploma course, so it is a 1.5 year course and there is a separate kitchen laboratory for diploma students. Now after this ट्रेनिंग रेस्टोरेंट. सो ट्रेनिंग रेस्टोरेंट में आपको बेसिक्स ऑफ द सर्विस सिखाया जाएगा, एथिकेट्स ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट दे विल टीच यू. फर्स्ट ईयर से ही आपको यहाँ पे बताया जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट स्पेशलिटी रेस्टोरेंट, सेकेंड ईयर एंड थर्ड ईयर में आपको स्पेशलिटी रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में बताया जाएगा, मैनेज कैसे किया जाता है रेस्टोरेंट को, कस्टमर का कंप्लेंट कैसे हैंडल किया जाता है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू विल बी टॉट इन दिस स्पेशलिटी रेस्टोरेंट. आफ्टर दिस CBSP किचन, ये स्किल इंडिया कोर्सेज के लिए किचन है, हुनर से रोजगार जो कोर्स था उसके लिए है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द फैसिलिटीज एट IHM Hajipur. Now let us discuss about the recruiting companies. Okay, so companies like Lords Hotel and Resort, Wipro, Dalila, Byju's, Stanza Living, Jubilant Foodworks, ITC Limited, Sayaji, Reliance Retail, Taj, Absolute Barbecue, JW Marriott, Westin Hotels, Fairmount, and many more companies come and visit to IHM Hajipur and recruit the students of IHM Hajipur. Students of IHM Hajipur, they have been placed at manager level, trainee level, operational level. All this position has been given to IHM Hajipur students. Now let us discuss about the salary package. So salary package highest is 3.3 lakh per annum, average is 1.6 lakh per annum, and lowest is 1 lakh per annum. So this kind of a salary package students get from IHM Hajipur. And salary package ये हर साल change भी होता है. It depends upon how you have performed in your academics, from where you have done your internship, and in the internship how you have performed, during the placement interview how you have performed. All these parameter will decide your salary package. Okay, now if you want to get admission in IHM Hajipur, then you need to give NCHM CET JEE examination. Without that you can't get admission in IHM Hajipur, okay, or any other IHM. And if you want to prepare for NCHM CET JEE, then we have launched the online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581454, or if you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. Or you can also visit to our website manoredu.com. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Link of all the social media handles I have given into the description box, so do check the description box. And we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination, so you can subscribe to this channel. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.